Okay, so we're back. What's the plan?
Yeah, we are fishing a nice little creek today. You can see it in the background. It's really shallow, really small. We are fishing a nice little creek today. You can see it in the background. It's really shallow, really small, but it has a beautiful stock of wild fish in it, wild brown trout mainly. And this is the creek owned by this third Julius. He's a really nice guy. I'm just using a setup with a really big foam hopper. It's not hopper season right now, but these fish are used to that there's some big insect just dropping in the water. They're used to it, so I'm gonna try to attract them with this fly, because they're really slow right now and we have to do something to make them aggressive. That's my choice right now. I don't know if it's the best choice, and because of that reason Julius is fishing something else that we know is gonna hopefully work. So just show us what you're using.
I'm fishing with nymph today. It's a really small brownish copper nymph, as you can see. Here, self-tied a few years ago, still fishing it. Trying to imitate the larvae that is living in this river, mostly brownish, grey and black bodies. Yeah, fishing a 5-weight, 7-foot rod here, because during the summer or in the spring it gets really tricky to fish here with all the trees and grass and everything growing really high, so you don't have a lot of space to cast, so using short rods and light gear is really a big advantage here.
Perfect, so we're only using fly gear today.
Yeah, only fly gear today, and we'll try our best. It's not the best part of the season. The best part is definitely summer season, when the water is not too low, then it's perfect. But we are really hot to fish now and we are super motivated, so let's go. Let's catch some fish.
Okay, so what do we have here?
Yeah, we have a light green insect larva. That's the main food source of the trout. They can feed on them all year long. You know, like when there's no hedge, they are always in the water. So that's a good sign. So we know what color we're gonna use on the nymphs. Okay guys, I tried this white streamer. It's not too weighted, so I'll change to a way heavier fly. That's this black leech fly style, something like that. It's quite heavy. I'm gonna use it now. Now we changed, or I changed to a nymph setup. I used the hopper as a indicator to see if some fish takes this nymph, because this pool is really deep. We're gonna see if the fish we spotted is willing to eat. Just have a look. We have even hatching flies and the fish have no activity on the surface. I don't know why, because they actually need to eat something. But we'll see, maybe in the evening we have a better chance to catch something. Because I don't know what we are doing wrong at the moment.
We've been fishing for 2 hours now. We saw some fish, but we didn't hook up, and now we're having a quick lunch break.
Yeah, because Julius is working in a fishery as well as I did the last years. That was the reason we met. And from his fishery he bought some rainbow trout, and it has a red flesh like salmon. And they smoked it, and they have some different herbs on it, like some flowers and stuff like that. It looks very delicious. And now we're gonna eat it and have some nice lunch because we're so hungry. And then after it we're gonna have some more mojo. I think we'll be happy, and then we're gonna catch some fish for sure.
Yes, we'll catch some fish. We're now heading upstream and trying some new flies maybe? What do you think?
Yeah, maybe try some different flies, but I think the nymph is the best choice because we have no rising fish, nothing. And yeah, it's not that easy today, but we'll check some deeper pools up there. Julius knows every pool and every fish, so it's just a matter of time until we find someone.
We don't give up.
Willing to bite, hopefully. Someone is at home. We'll just let our fly drift all the way in this hole. I normally don't use this kind of bite indicators, but today it's not easy to get in contact with a fish. So let's hope this is working.
We've been fishing for 4 hours now. We saw some really nice chub, but we didn't hook up so far. It's slowly getting darker, but we have about 1 hour left. We've moved upstream now, and at this part the creek is making its way through the forest and it's a little bit more shady, so maybe we can hook a fish over here.
Look at this beautiful fish.
Finally we got one.
I just changed to a pink nymph because the water is so cold. I think we need something to make them aggressive. Look, it's not the it's not the coolest way to fish, but it took a long time to get in contact with a fish today. So, yeah, look at this. Just put them a little bit in the water. Look at those fins. They are just crazy. Really red stripes.
So after 4 hours of fishing,
Yeah, finally.
effort pays off.
Like that was so hard. Look at this beautiful fish. Scar here, that's the real fighter, this fish. Just had contact with some fish-eating birds, I think.
Hey, are we going to keep this beauty?
No, absolutely not.
Way too small, huh?
Yeah, it's
Beautiful
small.
fish.
Like, the fish is really small, but it's really good size for a little creek like that. Because the water is really cold and they don't grow too fast. Julius just caught some bigger ones as well, but they're really rare. Now we just gonna let her go.
Slowly making our way back to the car. He caught one beautiful brown trout.
That's me.
And
My name is Julius.
and we're going to fish one last pool.
Best Julius from 3 Juliusen.
He's going to fish our last pool, and there we have him. So guys, we hooked up to a massive branch over there. Amazing tree. We're really stunned. We are really happy we kicked off the season today in southern Bavaria. It's been a great day. We're very happy we've been fishing on your creek. Thank you very much.
With pleasure.
I'm sure we'll be back another time with some more action.
I hope that the water gets a little bit warmer, because otherwise it's not easy to catch a fish. I think they're just really just hanging out in the deep pools, but they have no intention to eat anything. So the one fish I caught, it was only luck. It was the color of the fly that just attracted the fish, but he was hooked so like really in front of its mouth. He had no intention eating it. Let's get here when the hopper season kicks in, man.
That's a good plan. So thank you guys for watching again. Please leave a like, a comment and subscribe, and tell us if you want to see more of us 3 Julius. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.